everybody, Micheline from Micheline Makes here. It's cold. The noise you can hear is my blow heater going, and I haven't seen you for 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks. Yes, I didn't do a vlog last weekend because I was grandchildren sitting. I had the 2 boys here, and I was planning to do it one on the Friday night, but I never got round to doing it. And then I had the boys on the Saturday till the Sunday, and just never got round to it. We were very occupied because his lordship's mother went into hospital again, so we had to go and see her. Not good. And we've since heard that she's basically on end of life, so she is going downhill. Her birthday is on the 14th of December, 15th of December, but we've got a funny feeling she might not make that date. We'll sort of keep our fingers crossed for her. But since I've moved into the house and I don't do as much in here, I'm not as urged to get on with things. In fact, at this point in time, I'm making bracelets. You know, I said I had a lot of beads. I just said to his lordship, I said, I'm going to start making bracelets, and I'll see how they go. So I've been making quite a lot of bracelets, in fact. I'll show you what I've made. Just using up beads and pearls and things so that I can get them out the way. I've been adding this magnetic clasp to them, which is quite handy because when you put it on, you don't have to worry about fastening it. This one, I don't know if you can see, pearls and crystals. Cultured pearls, purple cultured pearls and crystals. I haven't got the prettiest of hands to show you what they look like, but basically I've done a pearl and a dark crystal, greens, and have I got something I can put that bit behind? Let's do this. Greens, a green and a cracked quartz. I like this one. This is lovely, this one. It's like a faceted green and a cracked quartz. Well, it's really nice. Green and a quack quartz. And then I've done a one like that. That one is a lot of multicolored crystals. Can you see the multicolored? This one I haven't put on a magnet. I put on a one that you push in, a push-in clasp. But I think it's lovely with multicolored. That one there. This one is crystals and cultured pearls. This one, oh, this was the one I made a long time ago. This is a 3-strand one of multicolored crystals with a clasp, a push-in clasp. This is a lovely, this is lovely red and yellow, citrine type colour crystal. Is pinks and blues and yellows. Pinks, is it? No, yes, pinks and blues and citrine. That's a lovely one. Then I've got the blacks. Black and like a rainbow coloured, dark coloured one. And this one is blues, turquoise, blues, greens, and with a cultured pearl in the pink. And lastly, this is just like a little multi one. I think this is one I did a long time ago because it's got a push-in clasp on it. Oh no, it hasn't. It has a one of those kind of clasps on. But that is multicolored. So this is, oh, there's lastly this, I like this one. I do like this one. This is dark blue crystals, and that's on a push-in clasp as well. Dark blue crystals. I love that one. But just basically doing that just to use up the beads, and then I'll put them up and sell them on my website. So I'm busy making some more. I haven't done much else. I've been just basically getting on with my orders, my eBay orders that I have, and I was somebody said a while ago, are you doing an Advent? Are you doing Advent? I wasn't going to, and I can't promise that I will be able to because of a situation with his lordship's mother. We may have to down tools and start planning all sorts of things, or go, I mean, we don't know. I mean, I basically go wherever he wants me to go. So if we have to down tools, I can't promise that I'd be able to do this Advent thing. And to be honest, I think I'm ready for a little bit of a rest. But I did order an Advent today. I was humming and hawing about it, and I thought, what should I go for an Advent? And I didn't want to go for a sewing one. So then I was looking online to see what other kinds of Advent calendars there were. And then I thought of a 3-dimensional one, a bit like the one that I did last year. Do you remember it was the house that I did last year? And the year before I did a tree. So I was going to do one of those. And then I thought, no, I'm not really in the mood for that. What about an Advent jigsaw? So I saw that you can do an Advent jigsaw. Now, I like jigsaws, but then I thought, do I want to be doing an Advent jigsaw? I like a jigsaw, but it's got to be a lovely picture for me to do. And nothing wrong with the Advent jigsaws, but I just thought, don't know that I want to do that one. So I have done something else, and I, to be honest, I don't know what it is. It's a sewing one. I've got a rough idea what it is, but I'm going to save it till tomorrow to tell you all about it, because tomorrow is December the 1st, and I'll let you know what it's all about then. But it looks like it could be interesting. I'm not sure how good it'll be, but it looks like it could be interesting. I did think I was going to get a package, but I gather it's going to be all online. So I'm going to have to improvise somehow to show you what it's like. And I think I might just get another, what do you call her one? Another, the one that I did the last time, that other one. Yeah, I'll get a Jackie Lawson one. God, my memory for names is it's always been bad, but I'm hopeless at remembering names. Anyway, so I'm going to get on with something at the moment. I'm going to get on with this fabric, and I'll see you tomorrow, December the 1st.